strikes upon the hour and the sun begins to fade.
I am the man I am today because of him. So, ayun, thank you, Daddy.
Uy, shit, parang
Chat GPT yun eh.
yun.
Oh, paano hatian nyo, girl? Sa kabila na kayo. Para hindi lumubog yung baka. Congrats! Baby, congrats daw.
Thank you, thank you. Kukunin niyo pa yung 100,000 nyo, tsaka yung apo nyo ha, mag-aalaga pa kayo.
Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I wanna feel the heat.
Nape-pressure daw siya, baka daw in-expect ng mga tawiyak ko. Sabi ko, kung anong gusto mo. Mahirap naman i-fake, baka mukha siyang natatais pag nandun pa rin siyang iyak-iyak. Ganun.
Somebody who loves me, baby. Oh, somebody who needs me in his arms. I need a man who'll take a chance on a love that burns hot enough to last. And when the night falls, my only heart calls. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody.
Nung na-meet ko siya kasi parang mga ilang taon ako, mga 26, 27, ganyan. Sabi ko sa kanya, nung time na na-meet ko siya, as in nagpipray na ako kay Lord, sabi ko noon na, if wala talaga, parang bigyan ako ng parang peace of mind, tsaka yung parang acceptance. Kasi parang sabi ko, ang tanda ko na, ganyan. So, wala pa akong jowa. Sabi ko, baka naman stubborn lang ako na parang lagi ko iniisip na, meron talaga nilaan si Lord for you, ganyan. Pero yun, kung kailan parang nasurrender ko na lahat, parang bigla siya dumating, tas naging okay po.
Naaalala ko nung gabing yun, obviously, parehas tayong galing ng OT. Nakatayo ka sa may exit, nagbubuka ng Grab. Ako naman, nakaupo sa waiting area, naghihintay na dumating ka sa buhay ko. Buti na lang, mahirap makapag-book ng mga oras na yon. Kaya kahit kabado ako, tinanong kita kung tagasan ka at kung gusto mo bang sumabay.
And all we want to happen in every story is that at the end of each story, we want to have a beautiful and a happy ending. And this is exactly what I want, what I wish for you. That as you go through your married life, you may enjoy each other's company, be blessed with each other, and then at the end, there'll be a happy ending.
My first impression of you is someone na tahimik and very formal. But I was wrong. Madaldal ka pala at makulit. And honestly, I'm so glad I was proven wrong. Kasi it allowed me to know you better. Some people find my personality too strong, too much to handle. And I know, you know how impatient and stubborn I can be. You've witnessed me in my lowest during our getting to know stage. And I can't thank you enough for staying with me after seeing me during those times. You know how to calm the storm in me and bring peace to my chaos. You make me feel loved, especially during the times when I can't even love myself. In a world filled with challenges, you are my constant reminder that love can be effortless and extraordinary.
Pero minsan may parte pa rin sa akin. With all the heartbreaks I've experienced, iniisip ko, totoo na ba to? Natagpuan ko na nga ba ang Miss Right ng buhay ko? Matapos kong lumuha kay misunderstanding, maguluhan kay misinterpretation, magkamali kay mistake, mahusgahan ni misjudge. Totoo na nga ba? Natagpuan ko na nga ba? wala naman talagang makakasagot nun kung hindi ang mga sarili natin. Dahil malalaman mo kung siya na nga ba, hindi dahil sa napunan niya lahat ng requirements sa checklist na hinahanap mo sa makakasama sa habang buhay. Kung hindi alam mo sa sarili mo na siya at siya ang paulit-ulit mong pipiliin sa araw-araw habang may buhay. At ikaw yun, Monica.
It is God that binds this relationship together. And if God is really present in this relationship, whatever challenges you may face in life, this story will have a beautiful ending. And your story will end like this. Gob and Monica, together with their 8 children, lived happily ever after.
Forever begins today. I love you so much, baby. See you at the altar.
Can't wait to spend the rest of our lives building a home with our future children and more fur babies. Meet Panda. You'll meet him when we get home. I love you. Oh! Replika lang pa. Fast forward, at yung simpleng good morning ay naging good morning baby, I love you na. Yung tanong na nag-lunch ka na ba ay naging nasan ka na? Lunch na. Yung tanong na what time ang uwi mo, naging dito na ako sa tapat ng room nyo, naghihintay. At syempre, yung pagdating sa pagkain, yung anong order mo, naging ikaw na ang bahala.
As long as I got you and me, moving through this world as a two-man team, I'll always have everything I need. You don't even realize what you mean. No one could fall for you quite like me. No one could get me so perfectly. You don't even realize you're all that I need, 'cause I want you, me together. Oh, I want you, me.
Baby, you are worth the wait, the prayers, and every moment of uncertainty. Up to this day, I still wonder and ask God, what did I ever do in my past life to deserve you and the kind of love you give? I am truly blessed for the opportunity to love you and to be loved by you. And so, with faith in His plan and love in my heart, I promise to cherish you for all the days of my life. I love you, baby.
You don't even realize what you mean. No one could fall for you quite like me.